In this video, I will show you how to add multiple accounts on Pinterest. First, launch open Pinterest on your device. Log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on the settings option. After that, you want to look for the option of add account. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can create a new personal account from here. For that, tap on the create option. But if you want to add an existing account, tap on the connect existing account option. Select that. Enter the email address or continue with Google. After entering the credentials, wait for some time and then your account will be switched. So as you can see, you have successfully switched to another account. To confirm, you can tap on the profile icon, tap on the three dots, go to settings. And here you should be able to find the switch account option. Tap on it and now you can switch between any of these accounts. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.